Hi, today we're going to be testing out the FreeScan Trio, an amazing metrology-grade 3D scanner by Shining 3D. One of the things that separates the FreeScan Trio from its siblings is that you can perform markerless scanning with its 98 laser lines at a speed of 3,010,000 points per second, making it fast and efficient. As you might suspect, with it being called the FreeScan Trio, it does have three 5-megapixel cameras. On top of all of that, when using markers, it offers up to 20 microns of accuracy, with a field of view of 650 by 580 millimeters. With 4 different scanning modes and built-in photogrammetry, it's the ideal solution for your industrial applications. So for our demonstration today, we're going to scan this treadmill, but before we do so, we need to stick tracking markers all over it. Let's get to it. Take a break there. We're going to go ahead and create another project group, primarily focusing on this area here. We will start, I think. Go ahead and stop there. After we're done with this, we'll go ahead and generate and optimize our point clouds, hop over and align, and we should have a more robust looking treadmill at that point. It was able to automatically align just based off of features. Hit exit and take a look at what we came up with. Not bad at all for the time that we spent on this. You can see that there's some areas that we did miss, but I think for this demonstration, this does a really good job of showing what the FreeScan Trio is capable of. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@umax.com. If you'd like to see the other scanners that we have available, don't hesitate to check out our website, umax.com. If you found this content helpful, please hit like, please subscribe. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.